Good evening. My name is Zuri Kujaman from District 4. I've been living in Palm Coast for the past decade, working for the state serving the justice system here in Flagler County as a probation officer. My education background, I have a bachelor's in criminal justice and a master's in business management. It has been my pleasure to do my part to keep our community safe. While working with many of the residents of our community, I have been able to see many of the ongoing issues that are ongoing and developing in Palm Coast. I know the struggles our residents are facing to my work and volunteer mentoring program I participate in. We need to do better in Palm Coast to create an environment that fosters opportunity for our residents and our youth. We have over 13,000 kids in our local school system in Flagler County. We need to create an environment when they graduate, they can become gainfully employed, become productive citizens, and prosper in Flagler County. I would much prefer our youth have an opportunity to become a property owner and contributing citizen than a tenant of the jail that are expanding. We can do better. My plan for a better Palm Coast is simple. I want to help our residents build information technology companies here in Palm Coast, create high-paying jobs without changing the small-town character of our city. With your help, I can create a better, productive local economy that fosters growth and property value and better job prospects for our residents. We need to also stop treating our senior citizens in their retirement account. They are an ATM machine to tap at their leisure to pay for tax projects. In an effort to withdraw money from our citizens, Jemlin and our city manager seem to be renewing the effort for the utility tax. Most of you don't know about the utility tax. It is a sneaky tax they want to add to your electric bill. That bill will be undue burden on our senior citizens on fixed income. When I'm on the council, I will vote no against our city's utility tax. Thank you.